Rachel, what did you bring in from outside?
I got the Woobles package.
What's inside?
I don't know. We'll have to show everybody. Please hold while I get it open.
So what do you have?
Inside the box is another box. And we have in here to start, we have Ken with Ken's red hair. We have Barbie. This is just the body and the head. We have Ken, and this is his hair that goes with it. Ooh. And Barbie. They actually made, for this set, they made 3 different skin tones. So they made light, medium, and dark. They made 4 different hair colors. They made blonde, red, brown, and black hair colors. So that way people are all equally represented.
Very cool.
Yes. And the sets are very cute. Do
They
you
are.
all want to know what's in here?
Let's see what's inside.
Please hold.
So far, this is what we have, but what else is in the box?
And I love, one, that we have these things on the corners to protect it, but this actually looks to be very similar to the box that was for my advent calendar that you watched in my Woobledy-Doobledy Christmas in July Spectacular.
Yes.
But we have Barbie, Heart the Woobles, and can I slide this out? Or am I too challenged? Please hold. And this is her dream house. Can I get it out? Am I struggling? I am struggling. Hold on. There we go. Here is Barbie's
Wooble
dream house.
dream house.
Yes, and in here, here is our pool. So
All right.
every single one of these actually has something in it for Barbie. So in here, well, you can see that this is her screen that's supposed to go next to the pool, but in here we have, go put these on over my regular glasses, sunglasses for me.
This is a very cool setup, I have to say.
Then we have in here, oh look, it's your stove for your kitchen. In here we have Barbie themed stickers.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world.
You gonna keep singing, Mom?
Nope.
We also have her bed, and this is the tin. We have, can I get the car out? This is a car. I gotta see if I can get it out. But how they have this, so as you can see, this part, I'm not gonna punch it out right now, but if you punch this out, you actually can stick the Barbie in it so she can drive around.
So after you crochet, you can then do a whole
Yes.
playing in Barbie's dream house
And
with the
this right
Woobles.
here is one of Ken's outfits. So Ken gets an outfit from this. We have our couch here, which also has perforations on here so you can cut it out so the Woobles can sit in it. And here is, for Barbie, we have a boa.
Very cool.
Which I will have to crochet these, by the way.
Yes,
That's
she
not a
will.
problem. I love to crochet. And then here we have, this is a bookshelf, but in here is, please hold, we have another accessory for Barbie, and this is a headband. So, just to show everybody how this actually works. Oh wait, I got one more box over here.
Gonna say,
This
you
is
forgot
the
one.
fridge.
That's the fridge.
In the fridge, we have an exclusive Barbie Hearts the Woobles hook. And we have these adorable little stitch markers that are pink hearts.
Very, very cute.
So, this is just one side though. We still have another side, but first I'm gonna show you. So do you see that they have this here? You can match them up and put them all where they
Upside
belong.
down. Upside
Oh,
down.
oopsies. No, that's right side up. I just didn't push it in yet.
There we go.
This has to be pushed in, and I'm not doing that right now. But this can go here, and then I think there's something that's gonna go there too. I just haven't gotten that far. And there will be a desk there too.
And for a girl who never actually had a Barbie dream house, I think she'll have more fun with the Barbie Wooble dream house.
Let me see if I can get this next box out, or if I'm gonna be a struggle bus. Oh, I got it out! All right, you ready to see what's inside of here, Mom?
Yes.
So, this is to go with this. We have a Barbie Hearts the Woobles headband. And in here is her closet. How do I look?
Very pink.
Good. So in here we have her closet, but first I'm going to put her stove in here because that's where that belongs. Next to this, we have the slide, because Barbie needs a slide.
Yes, she does.
Yes. And then we have this box right here, which feel how heavy that is, Mom. So
Yes, it is.
this is a beach blanket, like a beach couch that goes outside by the pool. But in here we have the Woobles X Barbie tote bag that is heart-shaped.
For carrying all of your Barbie Woobles.
Yes. So we're gonna put this here. I'm gonna pull this out, pull that back up for a second so I can grab all of these boxes. This one we have right here. Oh wait, there's two boxes here. So this right here is a desk, which I will put in its appropriate location shortly. In here, we have, for my Barbie Wooble, matching sunglasses to the ones that are on my face.
Love it. Love
Yes. So let's put her desk right here. Wait, is that her desk? Yes, that is her desk. And I think I just put it in the wrong way.
it. You did.
That works. We'll leave it like that. All right.
Except the door should be facing the
And
chair.
here is a little shelving unit right here. In here we have a little compact mirror that is also heart-shaped and says, Barbie Hearts the Woobles. This is going to go down next to our couch, which I have not punched out. Ta-da! Please hold while I grab the rest of the boxes. So in here we have Barbie's closet. And in here we have two more accessories. One is her matching mirror to go with the one that I just pulled out. We have her matching tote bag to go with the one that I also pulled out. And we're gonna put that one right back in there. Actually, first let's see if I can get this out because I'm struggle busting to get the mirror out of her closet. Please hold. Stop it, Mom, I can't. 10 hours later, I finally got it out. And in here we have, to go with Barbie's scarf, my own scarf.
Gorgeous. Simply gorgeous.
Yes. So we will set this up for a recap momentarily. Please hold.
So it looks like the Woobles have thought of everything.
Yes, they did. And they clearly had fun with this packaging too, because this is probably some of the most adorable packaging that
Sure
I've ever
is.
seen. And they give you matching accessories to go with your Barbie. Do I look fabulous, Mother?
Fabulous. Simply fabulous.
Thank you.
So are you now a Barbie girl?
Well, do I look like it?
Yes.
That's what I thought.
Yes.
I'm now a Barbie girl because I am dressed like what my Barbie will eventually be.
So again, one last look. See, Barbie's got a lot of stuff. And even Ken.
Back to me. Goodbye, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this lovely woobledy-doobledy unboxing in all of Barbie's extravagance, as it should be, because she is beautiful and fabulous.
And fabulous.
Yes. Bye, everyone.
Bye.